Welcome to Dolphin Kids.
Good habits. Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning. Brush teeth twice a day. Brush teeth twice a day. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. Take a bath every day. Take a bath every day. Wash hands before eating and after using the toilet. Wash hands before eating and after using the toilet. Help friends and family members. Help friends and family members. Be kind to birds and animals. Be kind to birds and animals. Eat healthy food with fruits and vegetables. Eat healthy food with fruits and vegetables. Keep your toys in the box after playing. Keep your toys in the box after playing. Hold your parents' hands while crossing the road. Hold your parents' hands while crossing the road. Share toys with friends. Share toys with friends. Complete homework on time. Complete homework on time. Water plants regularly. Water plants regularly. Treat elders respectfully. Treat elders respectfully. Wait for your turn in the playground. Wait for your turn in the playground. Go to bed early. Go to bed early. Don't get anything from strangers. Don't get anything from strangers. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Comb your hair twice a day. Comb your hair twice a day.
Thanks for watching.